Hello YouTube, it's me Justin, April 14th, 2018. Just saw some breaking news come across. Israel launches airstrikes in Syria against a military base held by Iranians in Syria. So this is just breaking news coming through. I haven't seen anything on mainstream media, but so far Syria is saying that there's 30 dead so far. 4 airstrikes in Syria happening just moments ago, and it is right now 4:53 p.m. Central Time, April 14th, 2018. Israel jets launch airstrikes on Syria. So it's not over. It's going to continue to get worse. So like I said, the airstrikes are supposedly hit a large base in Syria that's held by the Iranian military. So anyways, just thought I'd let you all know. Hopefully it's not fake news. So anyways, fear no man, never fear death, get right with God, fight the good fight, and stay locked and loaded. Stay safe, God bless.